Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to be planning in my standard rings planner, which is in this crochet pouch. The cover is a cover from Mystic's Little Gifts. Standard rings is a new size that they offer. This is the Raven leather, and this is one of my favorite leathers that they offer. Again, it's standard rings, so it will fit standard traveler's notebook inserts, but they suggest that your inserts be 4x8. But again, standard size will also fit. I have some things going on in here. It's kind of, I'm a messy planner, so sometimes my planner tends to look like that. Still have no dividers. This is last week's spread, and I really like the way this came out when I did it. I like the colors, I like everything about it. But let's move on to this week. Still need to do some snipping. And I'm going to continue on with this insert for now. So we're going to be planning the 19th through the 25th. This is my personal health, wellness type planner. And I just wanted to show you this one thing that I have in here that I have actually been keeping up with probably for the first time ever. So I have this tracker that I've been using, and I have been doing a very good job of keeping up with it. So, and I'm tracking all kinds of things, but yeah. So moving right along. Okay, it's Halloween season, and I just did a fall spread, and so I'm going to get back into Halloween, but I'm going to do a different type of Halloween spread. These are the little sticker books. What are they called? Sticker pads from the Happy Planner. This one is holidays and seasons. So these two, I'm thinking I may use those. And then I also have, I'm trying to use sticker books that I don't normally use. Let me turn it this way. This is Student, and it is from 2018. And is it really? I think it came out in 2019 though. I don't know if the copyright dates are older than the actual release dates. So, but that is the date that's on here, 2018. So anyhow, it has this whole, maybe it was 2018. It has this whole section. As you can see, I have not done any, I haven't used any of these stickers, but it has this whole section here of like pinks and purples for fall. So I thought that that was a nice switch. And it also has like some bucket list type things here that I would not do, but I can just cut off like visit A and just use a haunted house, or carve a pumpkin. I could just use the pumpkin. So like you have to kind of think of different ways you can use your stickers if they are not specifically aligned with something that you would use ordinarily. Because I never use these I don't know, bucket list type stickers, because I just don't do that stuff, so it doesn't apply. So let's move on. Okay, so I wanted to use the spider webs, and I want to use these headers, so I'm just going to dive in with this. I don't know what washi tape I'm going to use. Okay, now let me look at these again. Maybe these won't work. I'll have to save those for something else because of the color scheme. It's more traditional, and we are doing a non-traditional look. So let's use some of these. Oh no, I could use this instead of washi, huh? Let's do it. Okay. I know I flipped that one upside down, so I'm gonna do this one right side up, maybe. Ooh. Don't jump on the paper before I'm ready. Let's trim this off. I'm just cutting the paper. Okay. And then I want to use these pumpkins because if you didn't know, I really like pumpkins. And the bats. I'm gonna put them right here. Okay, those headers, I think I can use that other one over here. But then do I want to do that? No. That's interesting. So I'm just going to trim off the carve a pumpkin. The haunted house. I'm going to use the haunted house. And I want to use this pumpkin. I'll save these. And I'm going to use the candy. Okay, so we pretty much, well, we did use all of one sticker book, which was the Student 577 Happy Planner sticker book. This is what it looks like. And I'm sure I got it on sale because I don't pay full price for those books. And then this is Dates and Holidays, which I don't think is available anymore. But I'm going to use the dates in here. Do I want to use those colorful circles? I don't use them often. The colors are too, they don't go. Can we use these? Shall we? Surely. Can I go above on all of them? So we got it all dated, all Happy Planner stickers on a non-Happy Planner in a non-Happy Planner planner. Okay, so let's pop this back in and see what we're working with. I like this, and I like that I'm using my sticker stash. Okay, so that's it. What is this? Okay. So that turned out pretty cute. That's it for this week's personal planner, Plan With Me in Standard Rings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.